Good morning. Welcome to day 9 of the medieval helmet project. Good morning. Welcome to day 9 of the medieval helmet project. Thanks for joining me. A new day, new motivation, time to make a move, get started, make some progress, get this brass riveted to the aluminium helmet. The first stage was going to be mounting the eye slot brass adornment with some clamps. The brass eye slot adornment was in two halves, a left and a right. I decided to go for a parallel eye slot because that's what we're going to see forevermore. So accuracy on the eye slot being parallel, I would place some very small pop rivets just to the left and right of the centre line on each brass strip. This would give me the opportunity to either accept it or not. The riveting went well, so I continued with further drilling and riveting of the full-size rivets. I was quite happy with the parallelism of the slot, and that gave me the confidence to drill and pop rivet the rest. With the horizontal part of the slot covered, the vertical part was a straightforward task. Last pop rivet in place, big relief. Let's have a look at it. Lots of tidying up to do, but overall I'm happy with the progress. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon in another one of my projects.